Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun and welcome to Get Curried. Well, today I feel like eating a healthy burger. Well, don't be surprised because burgers can be healthy too. Don't take my word for it. I will ensure that every meal becomes healthy when I cook it on Nutrela Healthy Plate with Varun. To bring in that most perfect balance of health, taste and nutrition, today's recipe is sweet potato bean burger with Nutrela Soya. Let's begin. So for this, I'm using Nutrela Soya granules, which are low in fat, contain 52% protein and have no added chemicals. I'm adding to it hot water and then I'll squeeze it out. Now, this is ready to use. The tikki begins with sweet potatoes. Now, sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamin A, C, and potassium. It's also great for gut health and overall health, basically. What I have done to this is I have steamed this. I do not remove the skin because that's also where all the lovely nutrients are. The next ingredient, kidney beans or rajma. Along with this, boiled green peas. Beans also offer great nutrition and have a good amount of iron, magnesium, and copper, which help give strength to our bones. Let's add in Nutrela soy granules, which are soaked, squeezed, and ready to use. Time to add in paste of ginger and garlic, finely chopped green chilies, and salt. Lastly, unfailingly, let's add in Patanjali sabzi masala. As a chef, I always have a special place for spices. And mind you, Patanjali spices are not only flavorful, but just about perfect. Let's mix all of this one last time and make tikkis out of this. To make these tikkis, lightly wet fingers and palm, and let's take in an orange-sized ball like so. Dried breadcrumbs in a plate. Let's crumb this like so. Let's keep this aside and make some more. Our tikkis are shaped and ready. The next step is to pan fry these, and for this I'm going to use Nutrela refined soybean oil. Let's do that. It has natural antioxidant properties and is fortified with vitamins A and D, which makes your meal healthier too. Let's carefully flip this over and ensure this turns wonderful golden brown in color. While the tikkis are getting pan fried, let's quickly move on to toasting the burger bun. All the components of our healthy burger are done and ready. The next step is to assemble all of these in sequences. The first thing, mayonnaise. And by all means, you can also use a healthy yogurt dip. Moving on to lettuce, tomatoes, and the tikki. Finally, let's add in the magic of black bean sauce. Let's pack this off and serve this with your favorite chip and salad. With this, ladies and gentlemen, Nutrela Soya Sweet Potato Bean Burger is done and ready. Absolutely sumptuous, flavorful, nutritious, and a delight to serve your near and dear ones. For more such delightful cooking stories, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Get Curried. And before I forget, for more such recipes and an insightful, nutritious way of life, do not forget to follow the handle, My Nutrela. Bye for now.